Hello, welcome to Chapter 4, Lesson 2. Today we're going to talk about rounding to estimate products. Now, products are the answer to multiplication problems. So here it says to estimate products, you can round factors to their greatest place. Let me do a quick reminder. Factor times factor equals product. Okay, so if I have a problem like 5 times 7 equals 35, 5 and 7 are both factors, and then the answer 35 is called a product. Let's get started. Example 1, there are passenger trains in the world that can travel at 267 miles per hour. Oh, look at this. About how far could a train travel in 3 hours? Okay, so it can go 267 miles in 1 hour. How far can it go in 3 hours? Okay, so I need to estimate 3 times 267. So what we're going to do is we're going to round 267 to its greatest place value. Okay, so the greatest place value here is 2. So I'm going to circle the 2, and it's in the hundreds. Underline the tens. The 6 tells me to add 1. So I'm going to round that to be about 300. Now this should look a lot like what we did in the last lesson. 3 times 3 is 9. 2 zeros, 900. Question here, to which place was 267 rounded? It was rounded to the hundreds place. Okay, since 267 was rounded up, okay, this is the tricky part, ready? Since we rounded up, the estimated product is greater than the actual product. So that means if I actually multiplied, my answer should be less than 900 because I went from 267 up to 300. So the train can travel about 900 miles in 3 hours. There we have it. All right, let's do another practice. Estimate not 8 times 2,496. So first, we're going to round 2,496 to the thousands place because that's the greatest place value that we have here. So I'm going to circle the 2, underline the 4. The 4 is going to tell me to keep the 2 the same. So I'm going to round this to 2,000. Now, do 8 times 2 is 16. 3 zeros, 16,000. Since 2,496 was rounded down to 2,000, right? We took away 496. The estimated product is less than the actual product. So 8 times 2,496 is about 16,000. And if I were to actually multiply, my answer should be bigger than 16,000. All right, example 3. Lacey's older brother is going to a 4-year college. The cost of his tuition is $8,562 each year. About, means we're going to estimate, right? How much will 4 years of college tuition cost? So to solve this, we need to estimate 4 times 8,562. So our first job is we're going to round the larger number to the greatest place value. So that would be the thousands place. Circle the 8, underline the 5. The 5 is going to tell me to add 1 to the 8. So I'm going to round it to 9,000. 4 times 9 is 9, 18. 18 plus 9 is 27. 27 plus 9 is 36. Right, I need 4. Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4. So it's 36. 4 times 9, and I have 3 zeros. $36,000. Since 8,562 is rounded up, right, we went up to 9, the estimated product is greater than the actual product. So tuition will cost about $36,000. All right, one more page here. Okay, so our job, let's read the directions. First step, estimate by rounding to the greatest place value. And then circle whether the estimate is greater than or less than the actual product. Okay. So 870 is in the hundreds. The greatest place value is the hundreds. So I'm going to circle the biggest value. Underline the next one. Tells me to add 1. So I'm going to be rounding this to 900. 9 times 9. Okay, let's list our factors here. Or multiples, sorry, multiples. 9, 18, 27, 36, 45, 54, 63, 72, and 81. And might as well do 90 for good measure. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4 nines, 5 nines, 6 nines, 7 nines, 8, 9. Oh, 9 nines is 81. And 2 zeros, 8,100. And because I rounded up, that means my answer is greater than, my estimate is greater than the actual answer. Next one. Okay. This number is in the thousands. So I'm going to circle the thousands, underline the hundreds. So I need to not add 1. 2 tells me keep it the same. So I'm going to round this one to 3,000. Okay, 3 times 3 is 3, 6, 9. 3 zeros, 3 zeros, 9,000. So I went from 3,293 down to 300. So that means my estimate is less than the actual answer. Okay, so that is all I have for you for today. So we're rounding to the greatest place value, which is always the digit farthest to the left. And then we multiply and check our zeros, and that's it. So if you have any questions, let me know. Thanks for watching. Bye.